The M1A1 Abrams is one of the most formidable main battle tanks ever fielded by the United States. Introduced in 1985 as an upgraded version of the original M1, the M1A1 was designed at the height of the Cold War to counter advanced Soviet armor on the battlefields of Europe. Built for firepower, protection, and mobility, it quickly earned a reputation as a dominant force in modern armored warfare. The most significant improvement over earlier models was its powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon, replacing the original 105mm gun. This weapon, based on a German design, dramatically increased the tank's ability to destroy enemy armor at long range, combined with advanced fire control systems, thermal imaging sights, and lasered rangefinders. The M1A1 could accurately engage targets day or night, in nearly all weather conditions. In combat, this meant Abrams crews could detect and destroy opposing tanks, long before being seen themselves. Protection has always been a defining feature of the Abrams family. The M1A1 incorporates advanced composite armor, often referred to as Chobham armor, with later versions integrating depleted uranium layers for enhanced survivability. This armor provides exceptional resistance against kinetic energy, penetrators, and high-explosive anti-tank rounds. The tank's design also prioritizes crew safety, with ammunition stored in a separate compartment protected by blast doors and blow-off panels, reducing the risk of catastrophic explosions if hit. Powering the M1A1 is A1 500 horsepower gas turbine engine, giving the 60-ton tank remarkable speed and acceleration for its size. It can reach speeds of around 67 kilometers per hour, 42 miles per hour on roads, allowing it to maneuver rapidly across the battlefield. Although the turbine engine consumes more fuel than conventional diesel engines, it provides smooth performance and reliability in extreme conditions, from desert heat to cold climates. The M1A1 first saw large-scale combat during Gulf War in 1991, during Operation Desert Storm. It proved overwhelmingly effective against Iraqi armored forces, including Soviet-designed T-72 tanks. The Abrams' superior optics, training, and firepower allowed U.S. forces to dominate tank engagements, often destroying enemy vehicles at distances beyond return fire capability. The tank continued to serve prominently in the Iraq War and in Afghanistan, demonstrating adaptability in both conventional warfare and counterinsurgency environments. Over time, the M1A1 has undergone upgrades, including improved electronics, armor packages, and digital systems. It has also been exported to allied nations, reinforcing its global influence as a benchmark for modern main battle tank design.